Gingerbread theme mini decor DIYs for Christmas tiered tray. For the first DIY, I wanted to make a small cutting board. Now, if crafters don't have something, they make it. And I just took a corrugated sheet of cardboard and sketched out my design for mini cutting board or mini cheese board, and I used the first one as template to cut two more such pieces and then punched holes on them and stuck them together one over the other so that it gets some strength, and I have my own designed mini cutting board. Then I just painted it with dark brown color to give it the gingerbread cookie look and decorated it further with some more acrylic paints. I made a cute face of gingerbread. Then using some greenery and double-sided tape, I attached it on the handle portion of the cutting board and then a little golden bow to go over it and give it that jazz. Isn't it so cute? Do check out my last video on gingerbread decor DIYs for fresh ideas on gingerbread Christmas decor. Second DIY for gingerbread Christmas decor. I took a wood slice and used some white acrylic paint to paint just the face of my wood slice. Then this is a gingerbread man I made and showed how to do it in my last video. I'm going to stick it onto the white for a good contrast. Then some greenery on the top and a glam metallic bow to go on it. And a easy mini decor for tier tray ready. Please do take some time to watch my last year's gingerbread Christmas tier tray DIY for more inspirations. For the third gingerbread Christmas DIY, I took two wooden spoons. These are ice cream scoop spoons, and I want to make them a spoon with gingerbread men on them. For the gingerbread man, I took a brown cardstock paper, measured the size, and then I decided to sketch my gingerbread man on it using red color pen. And then just cut them out. So simple. Next, I wanted to make my wooden spoons look like gingerbread cookie or as if they are made out of chocolate. So I painted them using dark brown acrylic paint. I left the spoon and that I colored with white to look like white chocolate. Over it, I pasted or stuck my gingerbread man, and to decorate it, adding sprinklers, I just added red and black buttons on the handle, and maybe you can also add red and white strings for peppermint or candy cane look. and they look absolutely cute. It will be cute additive on the tier tray. My today's video is part of the Minis Challenge hosted by Corrie from Crafted by Corrie. You will find links to the host channel and playlist down in my description box. For my fourth gingerbread man DIY, I'm going to make a gingerbread man in his Christmas house. So for making the house, I'm using this little cardboard box. It's a wafer box, an empty one, and I'm cutting it to give it the shape of the house. So it will have a tapering roof. So I'm cutting it, I'm leaving the side wings of the box so that I can attach the roof easily over it. Now for the front of my house, I wanted to give it a little greenish touch to it. So I'm using a printed tissue paper. I have peeled the tissue paper out and I'm just using some diluted glue on my paintbrush, applying a thin coat over it, and I'm just applying the tissue paper over it, smoothing it. I'm not very neat, or I'm not trying to be perfect here. I'm just wetting the edges and tearing off the excess paper, and this is going to be the front portion of my house. Now for making the roof, I took a brown cardstock paper, measured it so that it forms the sloping roof, cut it out, and then painted it with dark brown acrylic paint. And then I'm using some double-sided tape on the side wings that I left on the box to fix my roof onto the house. You can definitely use a craft store bought house shape and paint it and decoupage using your favorite paper. Again, I'm using a gingerbread man cutout that I've made earlier. I'm sticking it here, the owner of this house. Then I'm adding some greenery to the top and some red beads for the berries. Again, the red and white string to look like peppermint and candy cane, and the bottom just wind it around and tie a knot. And a beautiful Christmas village house in gingerbread with gingerbread man and a gingerbread roof is ready. I hope you enjoyed my today's DIYs and felt inspired to make some. Do come back for more. Thank you so much, everybody, and have a blessed day.